Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can change your subscription from Team UK or from Saksham Academy to Forex Expert 1. And if you want to know the reason we are doing this is because uh, Mr. AJ Arya, he used to run three service providers, Saksham Academy, Team UK and Forex Expert 1. So now he has decided that he will only be running Forex Expert 1 and you have to shift from Team UK or Saksham Academy to Forex Expert 1 starting from the next week. And if you fail to do so, then all the trades will not be taken on Team UK and Saksham Academy. So you will be responsible for that. So within this weekend, over the time period in this weekend, you have to change your subscription, and this video I'm going to tell you how you can do that exactly. So first you have to come to your account, which is the copy trader account. The link is here. I'll place the link in the description of this video. Just put in your login credentials and you will see a screen which looks like this. Then go to my account section over here. Okay, here you can see that this is my account, all right, and you can like actually see here that is this your account actually or not. Right now I have you can say sort of confirmed that okay, this is my account. Now I'll go to this portfolio here and go click here, right, and then this is my subscription profile. In this action section I click here and click unsubscribe, all right, and from here I click I confirm and click on unsubscribe. Okay, now I am unsubscribed from Team UK provider, all right, so I will create a new subscription now, and the new subscription is to be for, let me show you, just click on create here. Trading account is going to be same, select the provider. Our provider is going to be Forex Expert 1 number 3, this one, right? You have to make sure that you select the right one, Forex Expert -1 and number 3. Just click here and click on create. Alright, that's pretty much of it. Okay, now your subscription is done, and now all the trades will be taken from Forex Expert 1. So this was a quick procedure that I wanted to share with you guys. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, you can join my community. I'm already there to help you guys and assist you guys in any problems that you have. I'll see you guys in a new video with a new update. Till then, peace out.